Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, many people are turning to natural remedies as a holistic approach to health and wellness. This video will explore natural remedies that can enhance your well-being, including herbal teas, essential oils, and dietary supplements. Incorporating these remedies into your daily routine can support physical health and promote mental clarity and emotional balance. You may experience improved digestion, reduced stress, and enhanced immunity by embracing natural solutions. Join us as we delve into the world of natural remedies and discover how simple changes can lead to significant health improvements. Whether you're looking to alleviate common ailments or boost your overall vitality, these remedies offer a gentle yet effective way to nurture your body and mind. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Coconut water benefits. Coconut water is often hailed as nature's sports drink, and for good reason. It is packed with natural electrolytes and provides excellent hydration, making it ideal for replenishing fluids after exercise or on a hot day. With its low-calorie content, coconut water is a guilt-free option that won't derail your health goals. It's also rich in potassium, essential for maintaining muscle function and heart health. Beyond hydration, coconut water can aid digestion thanks to its natural enzymes, helping to soothe the stomach and promote gut health. Its refreshing taste and nutrient profile can give you a quick energy boost, making it a perfect pick-me-up during busy days. Incorporating coconut water into your routine can enhance overall wellness while keeping you hydrated and energized. Lemon water benefits. Lemon water is a refreshing drink with many health benefits, primarily due to its high vitamin C content and powerful antioxidant properties. This citrus beverage is known for boosting the immune system and helping ward off illnesses and infections. Additionally, lemon water enhances digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices, which can lead to improved gut health. Its natural acidity can also promote clearer skin by flushing out toxins and reducing blemishes. Furthermore, lemon water plays a role in alkalizing the body, which can help balance pH levels and support weight loss efforts. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can enjoy a delicious way to detoxify your body, while reaping the benefits of enhanced digestion, skin health, and overall wellness. Ginger shot benefits. Ginger shots are a powerful health booster, packed with numerous benefits for immunity and digestion. Rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger helps combat oxidative stress and supports overall health. One of its standout features is its ability to alleviate nausea, making it a popular remedy for motion and morning sickness. Additionally, ginger promotes better digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes, which can lead to improved gut health and reduced bloating. Beyond digestive benefits, ginger shots can boost metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Moreover, they may aid in reducing muscle pain and soreness, making them an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. Incorporating ginger shots into your daily routine can provide a quick and effective way to enhance your well-being and support a healthy lifestyle. Green tea benefits. Green tea is a simple yet effective way to enhance your health, thanks to its rich antioxidant content and metabolism-boosting properties. Packed with catechins, green tea helps combat oxidative stress and may lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, studies suggest that green tea can improve brain function, enhancing focus and cognitive performance, which is particularly beneficial during busy days. Its heart-healthy benefits include reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation, making it an excellent choice for maintaining cardiovascular health. Furthermore, green tea can aid in weight management by increasing fat oxidation and promoting a feeling of fullness. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you can enjoy a delicious beverage that supports overall wellness and vitality. Apple cider vinegar benefits. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile health tonic that offers a range of benefits for your well-being. One of its most popular uses is aiding in weight loss, as it can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, apple cider vinegar improves digestion by increasing stomach acidity, enhancing nutrient absorption, and alleviating bloating. Its antibacterial properties make it effective in fighting harmful bacteria, contributing to better gut health. Moreover, apple cider vinegar has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition for those managing diabetes. Beyond internal health, it can enhance skin health by acting as a natural toner, promoting a clearer complexion. Lastly, its heart health benefits include lowering cholesterol levels, making it an excellent choice for overall cardiovascular support. Celery and celery juice. Benefits. Celery and its juice are nutritional powerhouses offering various health benefits. With a high water content and low calorie count, celery is an excellent choice for those looking to stay hydrated while managing their weight. This crunchy vegetable is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, potassium, and folate, which support overall health. Additionally, celery has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for those with chronic conditions. Its fiber content also aids in digestion, promoting regularity in gut health. Drinking celery juice can enhance hydration, making it a refreshing option for replenishing fluids. By incorporating celery and its juice into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake and support your overall wellness. Turmeric shot benefits. Turmeric shots are a potent health elixir, primarily due to their active compound curcumin, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps combat inflammation, making it an excellent choice for supporting joint health and alleviating discomfort associated with arthritis. Also, turmeric shots can boost immunity, allowing your body to avoid illnesses and infections. Beyond physical health, curcumin has been linked to improved brain function, potentially enhancing memory and cognitive performance. Regular consumption of turmeric shots may also reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain cancers, by neutralizing harmful free radicals. By incorporating turmeric shots into your daily routine, you can harness the numerous health benefits of this golden spice and promote overall wellness. Beet juice benefits. Drinking beet juice is a fantastic way to boost your health, thanks to its impressive nutrient profile and numerous benefits. Rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate, beet juice supports overall wellness and helps maintain essential bodily functions. One of its standout features is its ability to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, thanks to the nitrates it contains, which relax and dilate blood vessels. This can lead to better cardiovascular health and increased oxygen delivery throughout the body. Additionally, beet juice has gained popularity among athletes for its potential to enhance performance and stamina. Increasing nitric oxide levels can improve endurance and reduce fatigue during workouts. Incorporating beet juice into your diet can be a delicious way to support your health and athletic goals. This video explored the incredible health benefits of various natural remedies, including coconut water, lemon water, ginger shots, green tea, apple cider vinegar, celery juice, turmeric shots, and beet juice. Each of these remedies offers unique advantages, from boosting immunity and improving digestion to enhancing athletic performance and promoting heart health. Incorporating these natural solutions into your daily life can significantly improve your well-being. We encourage you to explore these remedies and discover how they can enhance your health. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle through the power of nature.